dude. Nice trade. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. It doesn't much matter. It's fine. Games will go fast. There's only 3 of us instead of like 8. Yeah. So we can trade it up if it's unbalanced or not. Okay. Woo! You get it? Right in the face. Oh, dude. Right in the hand. Yeah. Yeah, one of your shots. Oh, the ding! Ricochet off. Alright, well. How about you guys? And you 3? Okay, sure. Okay. We'll start over on this side and you guys start in the middle over there. We'll be over here. I'm out of shape. Nah, you'll be fine. If it didn't break, it hurts even more. They would know. So right here's the middle start. Yeah, this is great. Okay. They're straight ahead essentially. So what I would recommend for you is to go left here. You see how the bunkers provide a lot more cover? Yeah, where are they? I don't see any. They're straight ahead. Straight ahead, front. So what I want you to do, if you don't want to be telling me, go to this bunker here, not this close one, the farther one up. Yeah, the one right there. Yep, and then stay on the left side and clear that left. We'll watch your side on the inside so you don't have to worry about it. I don't know. I can't see them. They're all like down. Where's your teammates? Yeah, you go over there. Yeah, you gotta start together. Cheaters? Yeah. They're already bunkered up. Like, thank you, good call. Whatever you want to go. If you're going to go right at all,
let's
go
do it before these people
right.
Start coming in. Okay. Okay, let's start counting down before they come in.
Yeah. Ready? Ready! 3, 2, 1, go, go, go! Dave, if you want to move up to that side bunker, now it's good. Okay. All right. Okay. Let him out. No, watch her though. Cover her. There he is. Run up. Go to left. Go to left. Dave, move up. Yeah. Oh, dude, I'm sorry. That hurts. Oh. Yeah, they play that way.
Oh my god. Yeah, I got shot like... I saw his arm and I was like...
I got 2 on you, so that's why I kept shooting. I didn't see it until they broke my cut. So I apologize if it was a little extra. He was on the run going away. I was like, oh no!